Hi there! Mind if I join you on this journey?
Not at all. Please, feel free to sit here.
Thank you. So, have you taken this train route before?
No, it's my first time. How about you?
Same here. I enjoy train rides. They have a certain charm and tranquility.
That's interesting. What do you find charming about train journeys?
Oh, the rhythmic sound of the train, the passing landscapes, and the sense of movement. It creates a unique atmosphere that allows for reflection and observation. What about you? What draws you to train journeys?
I find them quite nostalgic and romantic. It's a chance to disconnect from the hustle and bustle of everyday life and appreciate the simple pleasure of the journey itself.
I completely agree. So, what brings you to this particular destination?
I'm visiting family. How about you? What's your story?
I'm going to visit a close friend. We've been planning this trip for a while now. I'm excited to catch up and explore the city together.
That sounds wonderful. Friends make every journey even more memorable. Are there any specific places you're looking forward to exploring?
Absolutely. We've made a list of local cafes, parks, and museums that we want to visit. We love immersing ourselves in the culture and discovering hidden gems.
That's fantastic. I'm sure you'll have a fantastic time. For me, it's the spontaneous moments that often turn out to be the most memorable during travels. Have you had any spontaneous travel experiences before?
Yes. Some of my fondest memories are the result of unexpected detours or chance encounters with locals. It's those moments that truly make a trip unforgettable.
I couldn't agree more. Those unexpected connections can leave a lasting impact. It's incredible how travel can bring people together from different walks of life.
Indeed. It's the beauty of serendipity. You never know who you might meet or what stories you might share on a journey like this.
Absolutely. Each encounter has the potential to broaden our horizons and add a unique chapter to our personal narratives.
Well said, Bonnie. It's been delightful sharing this conversation with you. Perhaps our paths will cross again someday, or maybe this will remain a cherished memory of our serendipitous connection on this train journey.
I couldn't agree more, Tanya. May your travels be filled with joy and discovery. Safe journey.